Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for hands-on reviews of today's best DIY kits and creative products. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best candle-making kit with molds on the market, the SAEUYVB Candle Making Kit. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to explore the relaxing world of DIY aromatherapy candles, this kit is your perfect starting point. Let's begin with the unboxing experience. The SAEUYVB kit arrives in a beautifully designed, gift-ready box that immediately feels premium. Inside, it's packed with everything you need to create your own candles from scratch, no separate purchases or extra tools required. You'll find 3 pounds of 100% natural soy wax, a generous 1.3-liter stainless steel melting pot, 10 containers including tins and jars, 10 delightful essential oil scents, and 12 vibrant wax dye blocks. You also get thoughtful extras, like dried flowers including lavender, jasmine, osmanthus, and rosebuds to enhance the visual appeal of your candles. A thermometer is included, along with a spoon for stirring, wick holders, candle labels, and pre-cut wicks. Everything is neatly organized, clearly labeled, and there's even a detailed instruction manual with photos to walk you through every step. Speaking of instructions, this is where the kit really shines. The guide is incredibly easy to follow, making the entire process relaxing and enjoyable. From melting the wax to adding your preferred color and scent, then pouring into jars and finally decorating with dried flowers. Each phase is clearly explained, so even someone who has never crafted a candle before can jump right in with confidence. Let's talk about quality. The soy wax burns cleanly with no soot or smoke, and the candles come out smooth, even, and beautiful. The included melting pot is durable and resistant to both rust and high heat, which makes the pouring process both safe and mess-free. We found the wax melted evenly and quickly, and the thermometer made it easy to know when to add fragrance or dye for optimal results. The fragrance options are quite impressive too. 10 unique scents ranging from floral to fresh and cozy. You can mix and match with different dyes to create visually stunning and aromatic candles tailored to your preferences or season. It even includes printed labels to match the scents, giving your finished candles a professional touch, ideal if you're thinking of gifting them. As for the molds and containers, they're sturdy, heat-resistant, and reusable. You get 6 tins and 4 glass jars, giving you plenty of room to experiment with different shapes, scents, and styles. It's also a fantastic way to bond with family or friends over a weekend activity. The kit is aimed at adults, but teens can absolutely enjoy it with supervision. It's a perfect choice for creative holiday projects, personalized gifts, or just a calming hobby to unwind. If you're looking for a thoughtful birthday present, Christmas surprise, or a unique way to spend quality time with someone, this kit ticks all the boxes. And one more thing. The brand offers strong post-purchase support. If you find anything missing or damaged, they promise a response within 24 hours. That kind of customer care really adds peace of mind, especially for first-time buyers. The SAEUYVB Candle Making Kit is not just a product, it's an experience. It's beginner-friendly, high-quality, and extremely fun to use. If you've ever wanted to dip your toes into candle making, or you're on the hunt for a complete all-in-one kit, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what DIY kit you want us to test next. See you next time.